In this video, we are going to see how you can create a good bug report in order to help the Matomo team. So when you want to send some feedback about the Matomo software to the Matomo team in order to improve it, you have the two main ticket solutions, which are over here in GitHub, which are the bug report or the feature request. So feature request, the most well-known, you just have one single field, you fill it in and you send it to Matomo. And here you get the bug report, which is a bit different because it's split in three main areas, which are what happened, what should happen, how can this be reproduced. So let's go for it. So here we get one need which has been expressed by a Matomo service provider. So to say here, a trainer, he was giving a training, and during the training, the attendees noted some points which seems to them like bizarre. And here is the issue. So the trainer typically take notes and mention what the issue is about, and then suggesting a solution. So to say the expected behavior. And so to make it, so this is in French, it's not very self-explanatory, but if we look at Matomo, we can clearly see that over here you get visitors, behavior acquisition, and if you would like to create a personal email report, you will notice that here it's written visitors, but here it's written actions instead of being named behavior, and dealing with the acquisition part, it's written refer, whereas it should be written acquisition. So people get lost and getting confused. So you are getting this information from the Matomo service provider, and how can you turn it into a useful GitHub bug report? You can use, in fact, this given prompt. Can you write me a great GitHub issue for Matomo in English about this? So 2 points, and then you express these things, okay, and then oops, you just put it like this, okay, end of the story. You just take this, you just go within ChatGPT, and then you just ask for it to create it. So let's see how it's going to be made. So normally it's supposed to translate it in English, which have been done. Inconsistency in terminology between automated report and main reports. Issue, there is a note. So this is the what happened, then this is the proposed solution, how this can be reproduced, and you get everything that you need in order to make a great ticket. So of course you need to proofread it and to be 100% sure that it corresponds to the initial issue, but in most of the time that's the case. Here we can see that it's not exactly the same thing, in the sense that the visitors were okay, but not the behavior and neither the acquisition. So you need to be a bit precise here and maybe change a little bit, but for the rest, the ticket is super clean. If you would like to keep those bold characters and those bullet points over here, you need, of course, to ask for ChatGPT to write it in Markdown block code. And then once it's done, you just need to copy and paste, in fact, the value over here, and you will get this final ticket, which is here, where you can definitely see that it looks far more better than the initial one. And it's clearly indicated over here that the titles are, should be written in another way, and as a result, the ticket is, of course, of a better quality rather than just the tech notes part, which is over here.